What's up, guys? It's Silent Ninja Security here, and welcome to another episode of Ethical Hacking. And today I'm going to show you how to change your IP addresses, spoof your MAC addresses on the Kali Linux network. And also I'm going to show you how to display your IP address and everything on the network. And after this video, I'm going to make another video on how to cover your tracks on the network. So let's get on with it. So to begin with, you start by opening your Linux terminal and type sudo I to give you the root access. Type your password, type ifconfig, hit enter. And you can see your IP, your netmask, your broadcast IP. You can see. So this is how you display your IP on Kali Linux. On Windows it's ifconfig. On Windows it's ipconfig. On Linux it's ifconfig. So let's go ahead by changing the IP address. So in order to change your IP on Kali Linux, you start by opening your Linux terminal, give it a root access, I, hit enter, type password, type ifconfig, hit enter, and take a look at your current IP. This is your current IP. So you want to change this IP. Into whatever you want it. So you start by typing ifconfig et0 and type new IP address 168.220 and change to .130. Now hit enter. Type ifconfig. Voila, you've changed your IP address into 130. So initially it was 124 and now it's 30. This is one of the most important things you should know as an ethical hacker, how to change your IP address on the network. So apart from changing your IP, you can also change your subnet mask. You can also change your broadcasting IP, and this is how it's done. Sorry, ifconfig eto. Sorry, eto 192.168.220.123. Press space, netmask to 255.255.0 .0.0 and space, type broadcast space 192.168 .1.255 and hit enter. Now you can see it's been changed, so you check by typing ifconfig and hit enter. You can see it has changed your IP, your subnet mask, and your broadcasting IP compared to the initial IP address. So we'll be taking a look at how to spoof a MAC address. Honestly, technically, MAC address is very important when it comes to ethical hacking. You see, MAC address is one of the globally unique codes that is used to keep hackers out of a network, or is used to trace hackers. Actually, if you're able to spoof your MAC address, it neutralizes those security measures, and also it makes you untrackable, untraceable, and also it skips or it bypasses all the network control. So I'm going to show you how to change your MAC address. So now we go by opening a terminal. Okay, I'm gonna type sudo -I and hit enter. Type in your password. Now we've given the root access as usual. Type ifconfig, hit enter. Now this is your MAC address. Is a unique address that is given to every what do you call it, network card. That makes it outstanding on the network, like I said earlier. So we're going to change it. So you're going to change it by typing ifconfig, and you write ether 0, then you hit down to bring the network interface down. Hit enter. Now we're going to change it ifconfig etho and eth0 hardware ether. Then this is the new MAC address that we're going to use, 0 1 1 2 2 3 3. Kind of funny, right? 4 4 and 5 5, and hit enter. Then you go back by typing ifconfig to my typo, the up, to bring the network interface up again. Now let's take a look at the MAC address. You hit enter, and now you can see there's been a change. So we've changed the MAC address, and this is very important for every hacker covered. This is one of the most important things that you should consider when you're trying to get into a network. You should try and know how to change your MAC address, to skip all the security or network controls. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm hoping to see you in my next tutorial. Do well to like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Thank you.